Question to you. Are you charging respondent under the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act?
Your Honor, please, to answer the question with the permission of the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Proceed.
First of all, that
Why do you have to point out? Answer, yes or no?
the allegations...
I am tired of hearing your voice.
Yes, but the allegations of the complaint determine the jurisdiction of
already
the
seen
court
that, counsel,
over
in-
the case, Your Honor.
Do not override me. We've already heard that on your pleadings. You've said that in your motion for subpoena. You've said that in your memorandum. Do not be sententious because every hour counts. Kaya, madali lang naman sagutin itong pagtatanong na ito. Ito bang pinapasagot natin o respondent natin ay binibintangan mo sa ilalim ng Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act? Yes or no?
Opo, Madam Senator, dahil
dahil.
nakalagay